If you want to download Pinterest videos to your gallery, then here's what you're going to do. Pinterest does not have a native download button for videos due to copyright and platform usage policies. To download a video, you must use a third-party Pinterest video downloader website or app. But just a quick disclaimer, I will not be showing any of third-party apps, but I'm going to show you how you can do it. So from your website, which is the Pinterest.com website, you're going to have to click on the video that you want to download. And then from here, from your phone, you can actually see the link from the three dots right here. You're going to have to click on this, and then you would usually see the copy link button if you're using an app. But if you're using a website like me, you're going to have to copy the link from your address bar, and then you're going to have to copy that, and then you're going to paste it using a third-party link. So you can just search for Pinterest video downloader, and it will provide several options for you. Now what you have to do is you're going to paste and then paste the pin link into the website's URL box and follow the prompts to process and download the video file, usually an MP4. Now after that, it will be saved to your gallery or your downloads folder if you are using the website. And again, just a disclaimer, use third-party tools at your own risk. Always be mindful of the original creator's rights and Pinterest content guidelines if you plan to reuse the video. So for safety, I will not be again showing any third-party apps. You can use it at your own risk, but it will be very risky for copyright issues. And that's it. That is how you can download Pinterest videos to your gallery. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.